Hello friend, this is Yrvind, and this is about a book called Boat Owner's Mechanical and Electrical Manual. This is the 4th edition, and it's like very popular. Here in Amazon it's 1,175 ratings. And this is about what you should know about the boat. So here's the book, and see, I can show you, and it's all what is in it. You see, there's plenty of things, all the technical things, and now there's plenty of things, everything, you know. And now people say my boat is complicated. It's not complicated. My boat is simple. And why do they say it's complicated? Well, because my boat is not like ordinary boats. So it's a new boat. So people are not familiar with it. And when they're not familiar with a thing, you know, they're outside the beaten track, you know. So things are complicated. But in fact, it's much more simple than other things. For example, the balance log sail. People think the Bermuda sail is simple, you know. But balance log sail is more simple, you know. For example, the boom has to have a kick, or, you know, so it doesn't move up. So keep down the boom, but you know, the balance log sail has a downhaul, and the Bermuda sail has to have a track and has to have slugs in it to keep it there. And all these things, you know, while the log sail is not attached to the mast. It's just a halyard and a downhaul and a bownhaul. So it's much simpler. But people think it's more complicated because not familiar with it. And my steering thing, well, it's not complicated. You know, many boats have a wheel steering, and they even have 2-wheel steering. So my steering is more simple than that, you know. And I like to have it waterproof, so I make it waterproof. So it's a little bit about complexity, and it's not complexity, it's just that you're not familiar with it. So here's the book, and it's my boat. It's no windstay, no diesel engines, you know, like most of the things in this book I don't even need.